Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
What's up, you guys, and a warm welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Annie, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, I'm hopping right in with the Pink Luster Shea Butter and Coconut Moisturizing Lotion, and then I am going to seal that in with my ORS olive oil. I believe it has olive oil, almond oil, as well as castor oil, just to seal that moisture as well as moisturize my edges. Guys, we are going to be doing an ombre top, not super sleek. Guys, I did this style the previous weekend at my cousin's fiance's bridal shower, and it came out super cute. So I thought to myself, let me do a tutorial for my channel. So as you guys can see, I am cutting a section I'm going to cut on either side of my head, just as you guys can see, and we are going to be leaving this hair out of the top knot bun, and we are going to give it some waves. So I'm going to do what I'm doing on this side, I'm going to do it on the other side as well. Side note, guys, can you guys see how super moisturized my hair is? I have really been keeping up to date with re-moisturizing my hair as often as I can remember. I'm not gonna say I do it every day, because that's a lie. As often as I can remember to do it, I definitely do it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me.
To achieve the super sleek look that I'm going for, we are going to need some got to be glued free spray, and we are going to spray around the perimeter of the top knot bun. As you guys can see, I am holding the hair at the top where I want it to be with the one hand, and then I'm going in with the spray and a kind of a bristle brush just to brush the hair up, and so it can mold in this exact position. And then I'm gonna go in with my hair dryer just to basically blow dry it dry. This is just to speed up the process, and I'm just gonna do that until I am completely satisfied that all the hair is almost in a like cast like shell. And the gel that I am using, guys, is basically, it's for the little stubborn pieces at the very nape of the neck. So yeah, I'm going to go in with the Eco Styler gel. It's the olive oil one, guys, and then add the free spray, guys. You can add as much as or as little as you want. I just want my hair to really hold, so I'm going ham with it. And then I'm gonna go in with my toothbrush and remove hairs around the perimeter of my face, and these are going to be my baby hairs. Once I'm satisfied that all the hair is laying in the position that I want it to be in, I'm gonna go ahead and tie the hair up. then guys, we are going to get our tracks. Okay, this is a 3-tone ombre effect going on these tracks. I love it so very much, guys, and I'm just brushing it out. I've put 2 tracks together, and then we're gonna go ahead and just, as you guys can see, guys, I'm just using my one hand to hold it in position, and the other hand I'm using it to wrap around the other section. Guys, please don't mind the house cleaner. Yeah, so I'm just wrapping each piece around until I'm completely done with the track, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bobby pin it into place.
I want you around,
Last week I used just 2 tracks. Today I felt like I'm gonna use another one. I just wanted to see how thick it was going to look, and honestly hoping it works out. At this point we're going to do the same, wrap it around, but this time instead of a bobby pin I am going to tie a whole pony just to secure it to the max, guys. This style is not supposed to last. This is a 1-day style, guys. Honestly, 2 days if you're pushing it. So I'm not expecting it to last long, but hell, when I'm wearing it, I'm expecting it to stay on. I'm just checking that it is super secure, which it is. I gave it a light tug as well, guys, just to make sure. And the next step is to your liking. You just play around with it, guys. Twist it around itself and play around with it. You get to decide how big you want the puff to be. That's the puff that I'm talking about. Or how small you want it to be by how you tug and pull. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing. I'm not happy, so I'm going to start again, twist, and then I'm going to twist it around itself until I like the shape. The shape is never going to look the same every day. It's going to look different every single day. Just be sure that when you're wrapping it around, you are also hiding the track underneath it, guys. And then I'm just spraying some Gods to Be spray, just so that you know, it stays hidden and it's well let's say secured, so that it doesn't unravel. You guys are going to see some tracks which I'm going to fix later on down in the video off camera, so be very mindful of the track showing there. Can you see, guys? It's showing just a tad bit, and hell no. So I'm going to fix that off camera, and then now we're going to attack the edges, baby. Guys, I don't know how I got so good at doing edges, but I think, guys, you just have to keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. You just keep trying whilst the gel is not completely dry, of course, until you get it to the shape that you want it to be. And I must say, I was completely happy with my edges, and I also like to lay my sideburns because it gives it just a cohesive, super neat, super sleek look. Guys, I think I need to soak my toothbrush in a bit of water. It is so tough from previous gel applications. Look at how it's making my skin red. That's definitely on my to-do list.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, me, baby, me.
So guys, this is the final look, and trust me, I went back like 3 times after this. And now I'm going in with my Babyliss Pro curling wand, and carefully, because I burnt myself just a little bit today, I'm carefully going to curl the hair away from my face on either side.
Right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak. Reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, deep.
So we went off camera and beat our face, and we're back, guys, and I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Free spray and my toothbrush, and I'm just going to push the hair back on those little sections that we left out, just to give it a more sleek, neat look. Just, you know, the overall appearance, guys, matters. And then, like I said, I'm going to go again with my Eco Styler gel and just tidy up the edges, okay? Especially my sideburns, guys. My sideburns are not relaxed. I didn't relax them this time around, so they are natural. Because I feel like when they're natural, they curl better. But yeah, it requires you going back into them a couple of times, because sometimes they dry super curly. And guys, this is the finished look. I am gonna go in with 2 of these super pretty pins that I got from Lovisa, and just add them to the back. One says kiss and the other one says love, and they're just so cute. It's kind of like just a cute little hair accessory. Then I went off camera to fix the freaking track that was showing. And yeah, guys, that's basically the finished look, guys. This is so cute. This is definitely a very formal type of style. I don't know where, I mean, you could wear this to dinner, a wedding, you know, graduation, something super formal. And yeah, it's easy to do. It took me less than an hour to achieve this look, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all so very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click on your notification bell so that you're notified when I post a video every single Sunday at 17 hours CAT. Get that.